to grow with us. In our time, thank you also for making Mama's journey the past 97 years a very memorable and meaningful. May her beautiful life and memories give our heart wings to rise above our thoughts. Special thanks to His Eminence, Gaudencio Cardinal Monsignor Chito Bernardo, Reverend Father Giovanni Gentili, His Excellency Ambassador and Madame Lupa Formani, Miss Zenaida Arton, the directors of the Philippine Italian Association, Maestro Barbieri, and all who helped to make this such a loving, caring, and memorable ceremony. Thank you to all who visited Mama in her last days, and to all who sent sympathy cards and flowers and phone calls to the family. Your love and support will never be forgotten. Thank you. And now